Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to customize your stream profile. First of all, you open any browser, go to the search bar, and type Steam. Then, click on the first link. Once it's open, click on the profile. As you can see, this is my profile. Scroll up and then click on Edit Profile. Once it's open, you can add your real name, control URL, location, summary, and profile preferences in the General section. After that, click on Avatar. Now, click on Upload your avatar. After uploading, click on Save. Once it's done, there are a lot of options for avatar. Click on See All, and there are many options to choose from. I select that one, and it will be posted as the avatar in your profile. After that, scroll down and then click on Save. Close up and then click on Profile Background section. Scroll down. And there is only one option, Default. Click on it and then click on Save. After that, scroll up and then click on Mini Profile. Now, scroll down. There is only one option. Click on Theme. Scroll down, 6 options are available. We can set any one, but I will select Cosmic and then click on Save. After that, click on your profile icon. And now you can see this is a customized profile. That was the way to customize your Steam profile. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.